For over 70 years, Canon has been a leader in medical imaging, benefiting countless healthcare organizations and their patients. Just as Canon was among the first to bring digital to the world of cameras, Canon has led the field in digital radiography. Over the last decade, Canon has produced an extensive line of DR flat panel detectors, which are used in countless hospitals, medical centers, and even field and rescue forces operating in difficult terrain. Canon is committed to continuously deliver medical technologies that enhance patient care, image quality, and efficiency, while providing portability, flexibility, and workflow. A new generation of DR innovation is now here from Canon. It's lighter, it's thinner, and delivers even greater portability. Now, as a world leader in imaging solutions, Canon is proud to announce a breakthrough solution, the company's first wireless, cassette-sized digital radiography system, the CXDI 70C Wireless. The CXDI 70C Wireless system brings with it a new paradigm shift in modern healthcare. This new wireless DR system will deliver true portability and offer outstanding diagnostic image quality and unmatched DR versatility. The CXDI 70C Wireless realizes true freedom to medical professionals by eliminating the need for a sensor cable, providing improved functionality while delivering enhanced image quality. By eliminating the sensor cable, the newly developed Canon CXDI 70C Wireless enables handling similar to current film cassette X-ray systems for effortless operability and superior portability. The sensor's 14-inch by 17-inch effective imaging area offers the same dimensions as current ISO 4090 compliant film cassette models, allowing digitalization without the need to modify existing analog imaging equipment. Designed to fit into a standard Bucky, either table or wall-mounted, Canon CXDI 70C Wireless promises the flexibility of digital radiography. Its solid-state design allows immediate data acquisitions, and its wireless transmitter sends the data directly to an acquisition console. The CXDI 70C Wireless is the lightest wireless detector available on the market, which makes it incredibly easy to handle. The CXDI 70C Wireless delivers improved image quality while significantly reducing X-ray exposure to the patient. The CXDI 70C Wireless incorporates a new proprietary Canon-developed glass substrate with a pixel pitch of 125 microns and delivers an increased level of sensitivity with its cesium iodide scintillator. Benefits are countless with reduced X-ray dosage while producing incredibly higher image resolution. Software solutions are just as important when it comes to patient workflow and operation, and the CXDI 70C Wireless operates perfectly with the new Canon CXDI Control Software NE, where the user has an improved overview of the acquired study and the extensive range of pre- and post-image processing parameters. Images acquired will be presented almost immediately, 3 seconds after exposure, allowing the technologist to cable consistently high-quality images while increasing patient comfort. The acquired DICOM images can then be viewed digitally immediately or transferred to a PACS, where it can then be viewed virtually anywhere. The CXDI 70C Wireless can also be used with a specially designed carrying handle for imaging patients with limited mobility. The handle can easily be attached or detached to the CXDI 70C Wireless detector so that the technologist can capture images at angles that are difficult to achieve and provides increased ease of use in special applications. Just a few of the features which differentiate the CXDI 70C Wireless from the competition include a better pixel pitch and resolution, higher film screen speed, faster charge time for backup batteries, more image storage, and substantially better maximum exposure time. The CXDI 70C Wireless defines true wireless freedom. The seamless workflow of this wireless detector is unmatched in every way. With easy-to-recognize status indicators, the CXDI 70C Wireless is ready to perform within a few seconds of turning it on. Battery life is also efficient and allows the detector to take up to 140 images on one single battery. All the while, a backup battery is standing by, charging in the charging station. Canon's CXDI series of DR systems has continued to receive high recognition for its rapid display capability, superior image quality, and high reliability. The lineup's technology advancements in performance and operability further contribute to increased diagnosis accuracy and efficient medical examinations. Now, any radiographic technique that was ever done with a film cassette can be done with this wireless panel, and it can be done with maximum image processing capabilities and maximum workflow efficiency. And it can be done anywhere in the hospital. Hospitals can utilize their stock of detectors better, moving them around wherever they are needed most. The CXDI 70C wireless offers unprecedented speed, increased workflow efficiency, state-of-the-art image processing capabilities, all with a lower dose for patients. We can now take CXDI 70C wireless technology and incorporate it into a 35-year-old RAD room and make it a state-of-the-art digital radiography system virtually overnight. With the increased efficiency, a single DR room can do the work of 6 film rooms or 3 CR rooms. This freedom and flexibility promises to be a huge financial benefit, helping to drive down the cost of healthcare. The CXDI 70C wireless has all the advantages of digital and none of the limitations of DR technology. For countless healthcare professionals and organizations, the CXDI 70C wireless offers a seamless transition to DR. Digital radiography has finally reached its true potential. We invite you to experience the freedom with Canon's CXDI 70C wireless DR detector and speak to one of our representatives today. Thanks for watching.